Hello students, welcome back. This is ICSE 6 Standard Science chapter Plant Life. Okay, a plant has two parts, okay, the shoot system and the root system. Okay, the root system comprises of the part of the plant which is below the ground. Okay, so it has its roots, it has its the root branches and the root hairs. The second part of the plant is the shoot system, which grows above the ground. That is the aerial part of the plant, and it consists of stems, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. We'll start discussing the root system first. So it is an underground, non-green and non-photosynthetic part of the plant. Okay, non-photosynthetic means it actively does not participate in the process of photosynthesis. They are positively geotrophic, which means they grow towards gravity. They are positively hydroponic, that means they grow towards water, but negatively phototrophic, that means they grow away from the sunlight. Now, what are the functions of the root? We already know them. They fixes the plant to the ground. It absorbs water and nutrients from the soil and transports it upwards. It also prevents soil erosion, which may be caused by wind or rain or any kind of moving water. What are the types or the root systems? Okay, they are majorly two types. One is called as a tap root system. Now here you will find a single thick root called the primary root with smaller roots branching out of it. You will mainly find them in dicots. Okay, dicots means plants having two cotyledons. Okay, the examples are apple and mustard. The second root system is a fibrous root system. It is a cluster of roots from the base of the stem. Now, all of these roots may be almost of the same length, mainly found in monocots like maize and grass. Now, the roots get modified and perform different functions for the plant. Okay, the first one is storage of food. Now, you have seen carrot, radish, sweet potato, which are quite swollen. Okay, these are roots because they grow below the surface of the earth or within the ground, and the solid part means it stores food for the plant. So, the first modification of the root is storage of food. The second is additional support. Okay, like in a banyan tree, you know it's a big tree, it needs additional roots which we call them as prop roots. They grow from the branches. Okay, what they do is they give the extra support to the branches of this big tree. Okay, the second additional support is given by someone called as climbing roots. You will find them in money plant. Money plant is a creeper, okay, or a climber, and it helps it to attach itself to the support and grow upwards. The third kind of root is a stilt root, which you will find in maize and sugarcane. Now here they arise from the lower part of the stem. Okay, this is extra support to hold the plant firmly to the soil. The next modification is nitrogen fixation. Now, in plants like peas and gram, okay, the bacterias grow. Okay, the bacteria name is rhizobium. It grows in the swollen parts of the roots, which we call them root nodules. Now, these bacteria are important because they convert the atmospheric nitrogen into simple and usable form for the plant. Why? Because plant cannot use atmospheric nitrogen directly. Just like carbon dioxide, they cannot do the same with nitrogen. The next modification is for respiration. Now, in mangroves, okay, they grow in marshy or waterlogged area. Okay, So it is very difficult for the roots to breathe. So they have a cone-shaped roots called the pneumatophores, which grow above the surface of the water and helps the plant to breathe. I hope this section is clear, children. Meet you in the next class.